everybody, welcome here. I'm Christoph and I want to show you to do lost PLA casting, or better how not to do it, avoid the mistakes I made. Yeah, feel free to leave a comment if you will, and have fun. This isn't my first try doing lost PLA casting. I've tried it now 2 times and it failed, kind of. The first time was this little guy, Jamanda. He has a lot of porosity and some wobbly leg, so I couldn't burn the investment out very well. I've tried it in the gas furnace. It kind of works, but as you see, it kind of doesn't. Yeah, this was the first fail. Second not so good attempts were these army here. Yeah, here I think the main issue I've got on this guy is, as you can see, he has a very rough surface finish on the front side, which is caused by me applying a thin layer of plaster on the whole outside to avoid have any trapped air bubbles. I thought I could get away to not use a vacuum chamber, but as you can see, a vacuum chamber is a must in lost PLA casting. These also failed caused of lack of proper venting, as you can see here at the ear and also at his ears and head tips and also his tail. There were some air bubbles. Another issue I have got here is I don't have a supplier of investment casting powder here, so I mixing my own investment powder containing of plaster of Paris, sand, Portland cement, and I can't speak or pronounce the last one. It's like the Metro of Earth or something. I will blend it in the video somewhere. This white powder here is residue from, or ash from the PLA. And I think I have a third problem here. I didn't preheat the investment casting forms here. So when you pour hot aluminium into a cold form, it solidifies sooner as when the form is also hot. So on this try, I will preheat the negative forms. Hi everyone, I have finished cleaning the castings. They turned out good, but not as good as I would like them to be. They have a lot of porosity. Porosity means they have shrinkage. So when hot metal solidifies, it shrinks, and this causes some inward momentum, and when you have no way to feed hot metal to compensate for the shrinkage, you get these funky little holes they have. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the results here. The detail is very good. You still can see the layer lines. So it is much better than the second try I've done. But the porosity or shrinkage is the main issue here. So I need to compensate for that and add feeder or riser, I don't know how to call them. Yeah, but otherwise I'm happy with it. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe or leave a comment, and stay safe out there. We live in some crazy times. I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm trying to And so the aluminium I thought I could away. I didn't. So I couldn't burn. Since I can 500 degree to around about 500 degree. Oh god.